Good afternoon, Sandy from Vehicle Fits. Just showing you what we've done to this little Fiat Doblo, template onwards. So we fitted a customer wants just a nice simple alarm. So we recommended the Clifford 330 X1, which is a nice canvas alarm operated off the vehicle's manufacturer's remote. Clifford's have got a nice, very bright blue LED, which is a great deterrent of an evening. So the Clifford 330 comes with a shock sensor built in. So it's got a two-stage shock sensor, a light impact. We'll just give you a couple of chirps, just to let you know someone's had a light impact, and then any full impact will give you the full trigger, which has got the Clifford 6-tone siren. So it's quite obvious that your van's going off. So just disarms off the factory remote. We've also done on the back load area. We're going to fit slam locks all round. This is an XBT van, sorry, British gas van. So it's already come with a slam lock fitted. So we're going to fit another slam lock on the side and the rear door. So we're coming back for that. So in the back we fitted ultrasonics up in the back bulkhead. So what they do is they fill the van with ultrasonic sound waves in this load area, and they'll detect any door peeling or anything going through the roof. So to demonstrate that, we'll just latch this door off, just so I can set the alarm. So one chirp means it's armed. There you go. So he thinks the back door's shut, that's why it's armed with one chirp. So the sonics will detect this area. If I walk towards the area and put my hand in, there you go. That sets off the alarm. Very nice, very effective protection. So that's all doors, boot, bonnets. We've also fitted a bonnet switch to detect any attempts on the bonnet. It's a battery backup siren on the Clifford. It's a category 2 to 1 upgrade alarm, so it has got a battery backup on there as default. But we obviously fit a switch in the engine bay to detect, and that's all trunked and going into there's the siren, battery backup siren. So a nice, tidy, simple, effective installation for a Fiat Doblo mini van. That's supplied and fitted by Vehicle Fit, based in the West Midlands. 07900 605048. And everyone loves these Clifford LEDs simply because they're one of the brightest out there. At night this will illuminate the whole cab, making it very obvious that there's something going on. And the worn away chirps will detect any attempted attack on the van. So yeah, thanks for watching. Cheers.